welcome back to the channel. Let's check the unbiased review. Today we gonna talk about the beachwear.com website. Let's see, is it a legit or a scam? Guys, please note, as this website is not ours, we are working as a volunteer to make your purchase safe and simple. This is the homepage of the website, which shows some of the beach pictures. If you are finding a place like beaches, this website provides you the feel of beach accessories. You can check it out. There are some funky accessories with the authentic prices. They had also mentioned the beachwear.com new summer collection is finally here. You can check it out. There are other navigation related to customer service, privacy policy, terms of service, shipping, and if you have to purchase or make your purchase possible, you have to subscribe this website by putting your email address over here. Guys, please note, they had mentioned due to COVID-19, the order may delayed within 1 to 5 business days. Now moving to the customer services. In the customer service page, you can see they will ask you some personal detail to fill, like name, phone number, email address, and the message you want to ask for a further inquiry. They had also mentioned some of the questions related to the customers' reviews. You can check some of the social media platform which this website is on, like the Facebook and the Instagram. Now moving forward to the privacy policy. As per the privacy concern thing, this website shows you the information which they had collected from you, how they will use your information, the disclosure of information they had collected from you, security of your information choices, and many more details. You can check it out and place your purchase request over here. Now moving to the terms of service. They had recently updated their terms of service, like on August 9, 2019. In terms of service page, they had shown some of the related information that is related to legal authorities, how this website will link up with our customers. You can check this information. This website shows you this much of information related to it. Now see, there is some homepage, shop sale, about us, and the rewards. You can check it out. They had shown you the search engine also, what you are asking from this website. If they have, they will show you on the front page. So moving to the conclusion, this website seems legit, and according to the reviews of customer, it shows that the purchase request they had formed with this website is quite authentic. So you can experience your purchase with this website as it is a legit. As this website seems or proved legit, if you find this video informative, kindly like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also share your experience by commenting on the below section. For more update, please hit the bell icon of legit and the scam videos. Thank you and have a nice day.